Hello friends, welcome to UKG Plus 2. I hope so you like this video. You can share this video with your family and friends, those who really needs. For the latest information, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest update.
In this video, we are going to teach you HCF. HCF is a stand for highest common factor. Highest common factor. Before we going to start the HCF, we know the rules. You already know divisible rule. Same as here divisible rule. Only one factor is different. On that time remaining we have to take the multiple, then we have to change the remaining terms. The remaining rules is similar to the divisible. If you don't know the division, you will go to playlist and check it divisible. Now we will look in this video. 2 is divisible as 7 by using HCF. How we will do that? चलिए दिखाते हैं कैसे HCF बनता है. 2 से पहले लगाएंगे 2 3 जा 6 minus 7 minus 6 1. This quotient will comes here like that. 1 divisible by 2 terms. This is our HCF. HCF is 1. We can say as HCF is 1. We will look some other example, then we understood easily. 5 divisible by 7. 1 time 5. 7 minus 5 2. This 5 will comes here. 2 2 is 4 minus 1. This 2 will come here. 2 1 is 2. HCF of this question is 1. HCF of this question is 1. We will look some other example. 30 divisible by 42. 1 times 30. 2 1 12. This 30 will come here. 12 2 is 24. Subtract 6. 2 always will come here. 6 2 is 12. Now of this question is HCF of this question is 6. This term is known as HCF. HCF of this question is 6. (42) divisible by 70. 1 time 42. After subtracting how much? 28. This 42 will come here. How much time? 1 time 28. After subtracting 12 minus 8 4 3 minus 2 1 14. This 28 will here. 14 2 is 28. Cancel. HCF this question is 14. HCF of this question is 14. Look at clear. 150 divisible by 3 75. 2 terms 2 are 152 is 300. Subtract 5 7 150. 75 2 is 150. So HCF this question is 75. 66 divisible by 420. If you 66 take 6 times means how much will come? 396. Subtract 4 2 cancel 66 2 48, 18. This 24 will comes here. One terms 18, 6, 18, 6, 18 threes are cancel out. SCF of this question is 6. SCF of this question is 6. One not 8 divisible by 288, 28, 288. So 2 times means 2 not 6, 216. Subtract this 108 will come here. 72 1 ja 72. Subtract 36. Again this 72 will come here. 2 bar में 36. Sorry. 72. Cancel out. SCF of this 36. SCF of this question is 36. 75, 210. 2 times 150. Subtract 0, 6, 60, 75. 1 times 60. 5 and 1, 60. 15 4 just 60. SCF is 15 of this question. I hope so you understood the SCF very clearly. Similarly, you can solve more and more questions. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Thank you.